What's up, Visionaries? Welcome to the 4th episode of Visionary at Home. My name is Stephen.
And I'm Danica, and today we're gonna make stunning cold brew mocktails.
Spread love for my dogs and my family. Spread love on my ethnicity. Lesson for my enemy. I ain't that same kid that I used to be. See me. Spread love for my dogs and my family. Spread love on my ethnicity. Lesson for my enemy. I ain't that same kid that I used to be. See me.
If you're new in this series, Visionary at Home was conceptualized during this quarantine period because our customer cannot come here at the cafe to enjoy their coffee, but we still wanted them to have their Visionary coffee experience at home.
In this video, we're going to be sharing to you 2 easy mocktail recipes, which is the Cafe Presa and the Orange Cold Brew Tonic.
Mocktail basically is a non-alcoholic beverage that is composed with herbs, sodas, and fruit juices. So, ano ba yung cold brew coffee din?
Basically, cold brew coffee is coffee brewed in cold water. Unlike sa typical iced coffee natin, mas less yung bitterness and acidity nito, pero more sweeter and smoother taste.
Okay, let's start. Ladies first.
Una ka na, kuya.
Sige, dyan po eh.
Ilan?
Isa lang. Talo ako?
Oo, talo.
Okay, so ako tama una. Okay, this drink supposedly we will launch this summer season, but unfortunately, nagkaroon tayo ng pandemic and maraming plans yung nagbago. So, i-share ko na lang to sa inyo. I'll be preparing to you an orange cold brew tonic. So, this recipe is very easy. You just need to stir and build. The ingredients is napakadali lang din hanapin sa market. So, before we start, we need to prepare the basic ingredients, which is sugar syrup, 1 part of sugar and 1 part of water. We also need, of course, tonic water. We need some juice from orange wedge. And last but not the least, a silky black cold brew coffee. So, paano namin ginawa yung cold brew is we just steep a coarsely ground coffee into cold filtered water for 24 hours. So, let's get started. In highball glass, we just need to pour 10 milliliters of sugar syrup. We also need a wedge or approximately 15 milliliters of orange juice. 3 ounces of silky black cold brew coffee. Just stir to incorporate all the ingredients. Add some ice. And of course, fill in with some tonic water. Okay. Garnish with half wheel of orange. Add some herbs. You can use rosemary, thyme, or basil, but since ito yung pinakamadaling mahanap sa market, I use mint leaves. Visionary cold brew tonic.
Respect for the high sanity, but I want you to greet me with a quote integrity, please. The voice of my energy, positivity, disempower negativity. Okay,
my turn. I'm gonna be making Cafe Presa, which is one of our signature cold beverage. So what is Cafe Presa? Cafe, an Italian word, which means coffee, and Presa, a Spanish word, which means strawberry. So let's start. I'm gonna be preparing my ingredients, which is simple syrup, lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, and strawberry puree. Basically, ginawa namin to with 1 cup frozen strawberries, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a bit of lemon and salt. And lastly, gonna be needing cold brew silky black from Visionary Cafe, and also will be needing cocktail shaker. Pag wala kayo nito sa bahay, pwede na rin yung tumbler with lid, also jigger, or measuring cup. Pag wala kayo nito, pwede na rin yung tablespoon or teaspoon. So basically, 30 ml or 1 ounce is equivalent to 2 tablespoon or 6 teaspoon. So, okay na. First, kailangan natin ng 10 ml na simple syrup. Fresh lemon juice. One ounce of strawberry puree. And of course, 4 ounces of cold brew coffee. Add some ice, at least mga 4 tubes. And then, let's start shaking. Shake na lang sa... Shake nyo lang siya until mag-create siya ng nice thick foam. And then, stir nyo siya sa 10 ounce glass na may at least 3 or 4 na ice. And garnish with strawberry sorbet, lemon milk. And that's it. Your Visionary Cafe Pressa.
No words for the money, ride to the symphony. Flexibility, we came in a system. Wanna have the ecosystem, man, travel to the solar system. Locked up in a system of a kingdom, scout wisdom. Trying to show some, use some, do some, don't do.
Okay, let's taste. Cheers. Wow. So how's your drink?
Masarap siya, kuya. Balance lang. Para sa akin, gusto ko to kasi balance lang yung sweetness and acidity niya. Hindi nag-overpower gaano yung flavor with coffee. Gusto ko rin yung pag-add ng texture ng foam dun sa drink. Sa'yo, kuya.
Yun, what I like about this drink is yung feeling na umiinom ka ng cocktail pero walang tama. Very nice, balance. Hindi nag-overpower yung isa't isa. And ayun, it has a full body. I will really recommend this drink. Masarap siya inumin ng mga tipong alas 3 ng hapon tuwing linggo, ganun. So we created this recipe for our market. So if you want more sweet or more stronger, you can play around with the ingredients. And ayun, maraming salamat sa mga nanood. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, just subscribe now, hit the bell button below, and see you again on the next episode of
Visionary at Home.
Cheers.
Sorry for fuck to the show with this fucked up flow, cause the nigga is so mellow. I don't know, I don't go along with the mumbo, but I really love good weed and tobacco. I know this garbage, lost just paying harvest. I know some of it is damaged, but I manage. In this rap game, someone showed me the passage. Feel like I'm dying, I always pray.